Hi guys, today I want to show you this infrared thermometer. Here is what you get in the package. You're gonna get the warranty card, you're gonna get the user menu, the thermometer. Also it works with AAA batteries, so you need 2 batteries, and also it comes with a carrying case. I already installed the 2 batteries. Before I put the lid back on, I want to show you that you can change the measurements, the units for the temperature here. It can be in Fahrenheit or Celsius. I want to keep it in Fahrenheit, but you can change it from here. I will leave it at Fahrenheit. Then I'll close it back. Now I'm gonna measure my temperature so I can show you how it works. It's very important when you measure your temperature on the forehead. You need to put it 1 inch away from your forehead, and it needs to be here in the middle, not on the left or right side. Now I will turn on the device, and from here you can change it to that's the adult mode, that's the child, and that's the objective mode. I'll keep it on adult mode, and now you can see that it's 98.2. If you want to save it, you press it here, and there is now it's saved. It can keep up to 40 up to 40 temperature measurements. So if you have a child, sick child at home, you can keep track what was his temperature the previous time when you measure it. I also like that this thermometer has color-coded here lights. The green, it means that your temperature is in a normal range. Yellow light means that the temperature is elevated, and red means that you have too high temperature. This thermometer has a ear mode. What you need to do is when you turn on the thermometer, you need to go to child mode. That's it. And then you need to take off the cap, and then you put it in your ear, and you can measure your temperature. If you want a fast, accurate, and easy to use thermometer for the whole family, this is a definitely great one to keep at home.